Ready? Ready?
Ready?
Ready?
Ready? Ready?
Ready?
Ready?
Ready?
Ready?
Ready? Ready?
Good day, Kawit National High School. SSLG election is fast approaching and the Rise Party is ready to perform. Ready! Good day, I am Ignatius Loy Conchas, the current campus minister chairman and vying for the position of SSLG president.
This is Angel A. Godinez running for the position of SSLG Vice President.
I am Micaela Satanta, a 10th grade student, and I am honored to stand here before you as a candidate for the position of secretary.
I am Kimril Montolo from Grades and Department running for the position of SSLG Treasurer.
This is Charlene Abalyarsa standing here in front of you to humbly present myself as one of the aspiring leaders of Kawit National High School as an SSLG officer with the position of the auditor.
My name is Adrian T. Madaiton,
And I am Janina Buchinsala,
running for the position of SSLG Protocol Officer.
This is John Mark D. Bulotano,
And I am Zarlon Rosel.
and we are running for the position of the SSLG Public Information Officer.
This is John Garl Amadeo running for the position of Grade 12 Representative.
I am Joanna Mia Serviso running for the position of SSLG Grade 11 Representative.
This is Franzita Clyde Vienok, running for the position of SSLG Grade 10 Representative.
I am Ayesha Flores running for the position of SSLG Grade 9 Representative.
My name is Adon Mani de la Cruz Ababa, running for the position of Grade 8 Representative.
Rise with us!